cultivation. Yields are several times higher than traditional methods. This is a mulberry farm in South Korea. They're using the Y-shaped planting technique. With this method, the produce comes out uniformly sized. The quality rate is exceptionally high. There's virtually no wastage during harvest. Take a look at this orchard. Isn't it fascinating to see this for the first time? This cultivation method follows 4 main steps. The first step is constructing the steel framework. Each arch spans between 5 to 6 meters. The height ranges from 2 to 2.5 meters. The distance between each mulberry tree is about 2.5 meters. Beneath the arches, on both sides, there's an L-shaped structure 1.8 meters wide. The bottom layer is covered with black moisture-proof fabric, which controls weeds while simultaneously maintaining soil temperature and moisture. The L-shaped structure stands about half a meter. A green collection net is laid over the top. This net allows for easy unfolding and rolling back. Next, we're planting mulberry trees. You need to dig planting holes 50 centimeters deep. Add some base fertilizer. Then plant the mulberry trees. The requirements for mulberry seedlings: the diameter must reach 7 millimeters, and the length must exceed half a meter. At the junction of the 2 arches, integrated drip irrigation for moisture must be installed. Thirdly, it's about shaping. During the growth process, you cultivate a central trunk on both sides along the curve of the steel structure. During this process, it's essential to continually secure and bind. So then, we cultivate parallel lateral branches on either side of the main trunk. On those lateral branches, we can grow mulberries. Just look at the scene when it's laden with mulberries. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? The fourth step is harvesting. Farmers first use a hammer to strike against the branches. While striking, they must also use an electronic device to avoid injuring the fruit as it falls onto the filter net. The ripe fruit can be collected directly in a bowl. This method of harvesting significantly improves operational efficiency while also reducing losses during mulberry harvesting. The mulberry cultivation techniques in South Korea have several highlights. There is the standardized planting, which allows for good ventilation, fertilization, and resulting in evenly distributed fruit with consistent sizes. Daily management and pruning are very convenient. The methods of harvesting are also incredibly efficient. They reduce waste significantly. The products cultivated this way are sold through high-end channels. Their value is certainly substantial. In South Korea, the standards for orchards are whether it's mulberries, plums, peaches, or watermelons. The initial construction of orchards is very meticulous. This exemplifies the model of new agriculture. At first glance, the initial investment appears high. And it seems quite complicated. However, once it's established, managing it becomes very time efficient and labor-saving. The quality of the products is highly consistent. The returns on the farm later on are significantly high. Today in our agriculture, many products struggle to fetch high prices, and we frequently see a disconnect between farmers and merchants. That's where we initially focused on speed and ease in our infrastructure development. The quality labor costs have also been rising significantly. In the end, we've ended up digging our own graves. I want to remind everyone, in the next 5 to 10 years, every segment of Chinese agriculture will face a major reshuffle. Ultimately, the ones that survive will be those fresh ideas and innovative business models. So, I recommend that anyone looking to learn about new global agriculture explore alternative ways of approaching agriculture. That way, you'll have the advantage. Alright, let's follow Teacher Juan and discover the new technologies in global agriculture.